Okay, today we're going to be able to look at a polynomial and determine what it's doing on its end, the end behavior. And we call this the leading coefficient test because we look at the leading coefficient of the polynomial and we make a determination if it's an even degree, an odd degree, and then we determine if it's positive or negative. If it's an even degree, positive, both ends go up. They both are pointing up. And so what we say is that it rises left and rises right. Because on the left side it's rising and on the right side it's rising. Now what's going on in the middle we don't care about. It could be all kinds of squiggles and ups and downs and we don't know. But just looking at the left and right ends, it rises left and rises right. And for a negative, it falls left and falls right. All right. For an odd degree, if it's a positive odd degree, then it's going to fall on the left-hand side and rise on the right-hand side. So falls on the left and rises on the right. Now again, there could be all kinds of squiggling going on in between. These are not straight lines. These are just the ends. For a negative odd degree, it rises left and falls on the right. Okay, so now let's look at these four examples to see if we can determine what the end behavior is of these four examples. We're going to look at the leading coefficient, and we determined that it is an odd degree and it's positive. So it's odd degree positive, therefore we're going to fall left and rise right. Rise right. All right. The next one, we look at the leading coefficient. Now remember, the leading coefficient is not always in the front, so please look for it carefully. We have an even degree, and it is positive. And so this is both ends are the same, an even degree, they're both the same, and so it's positive, so it's going to rise left and right. All right. Example 3, we've got an odd degree and it's negative. So an odd degree negative is rising to the left and falls to the right. And last but not least, we have an even negative. And again, an even negative, both are the same, they both fall left and falls right. An easier way to look at this is that even degrees, they're both the same. They're both up for positive, both down for negative. And for an odd degree, you have one up, one down. And if it's positive, the right is positive. And if it's negative, the right-hand side is negative. Or finish is positive and finish is negative. That's one way of looking at it. Or if it's positive, it's an increasing function. If it's negative, it's a decreasing type function. Hope that helps.